In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the screener on TradingView. Now you can use this on the chart or also from the home page, but if you click on the screener right here, you will be able to see all the stocks. So using the screener, what you can do is you can filter everything. So you can filter price, you can filter by sector. So let's say you only want to do finance. You can filter by revenue growth and everything in here. Then what you can do here is you can sort it. So let's say in the finance sector, of course you can do much more up here, but let's just keep it simple. You want to look for the ones that change the most in one day. So if you do this right here, you will be able to see which ones had the highest change within one day. And you can also see the ones that had the biggest loss in one day. You can also do by volume, and you'll see the one with the biggest volume and all this stuff. And you can do price if you want to. And as you can see right here. So this is a great way to find stocks or something else that you want to invest in. So you can filter it exactly how you want it. Then once you found one, you can just click on it and it will now be on your chart. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.